After the great flood, the families of Noah's children began to spread across the earth. But as the people grew in number, they wanted to stay together. They spoke the same language, and their hearts were set on one big dream. They said to each other, "Let's build a city with a tower that reaches to the heavens. Then we'll make a name for ourselves and never be scattered across the earth." Brick by brick, stone upon stone, the tower began to rise. It was taller than any building they had ever seen. But the people were not building to honor God. They were building to honor themselves. Their pride and desire for greatness filled the sky higher than the tower itself. God looked upon the city and saw what they were doing. He said, "If they all speak one language, nothing they plan will be impossible for them." So God came down and confused their language. Suddenly, workers spoke words they couldn't understand. Confusion spread. The tower stood unfinished. The people scattered across the earth just as God had planned. The Tower of Babel reminds us that true greatness doesn't come from reaching the sky on our own. It comes from walking humbly with God. Our unity is found not in pride, but in Him.